In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Facebook language and region settings. Whether you're looking to practice a new language or you need to switch to a language you're more comfortable with, adjusting these settings is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to make these changes effortlessly. First, you'll want to open Facebook and log into your account as you normally would. Once you're on your home page, locate your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to various account settings. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you several options to choose from. In this menu, you'll want to look for and click on Settings and Privacy. This option is typically found towards the bottom of the drop-down list. Once you click on it, another set of options will unfold. Here, you'll see an option simply labeled Language. Click on Language to proceed. Now, you're in the Language and Region Settings area. This section is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of languages available for you to choose from. Facebook offers a wide range of languages, so whether you're looking for Spanish, French, Mandarin, or any other language, you're likely to find it here. Scroll through the list and select your preferred language. Once you've clicked on your desired language, Facebook will automatically update to reflect this change. There's no need to save or confirm anything further. The platform makes it easy by implementing the change immediately. This means you can instantly start navigating Facebook in the language you've chosen. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Facebook language settings. If you ever need to switch back or try another language, you can follow these same steps. This process is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to customize your Facebook experience with just a few clicks. Remember, language settings can also affect how certain features and notifications appear, so it's always useful to familiarize yourself with the terminology in your chosen language. If you're changing languages for practice, consider exploring Facebook's groups or pages in that language to enhance your learning experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Happy Facebooking!